Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video we will discuss the Thai consonant H. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. The Thai consonant H sounds like a H at the beginning of a syllable. H. When H is however immediately followed by any of these localist consonants, H is a silent initial consonant. H does not occur as a final consonant. The accompanying word heap means wooden box or chest. H is a high-class consonant. This is how H is written. Important here is to start by drawing the circle at the top left corner of the letter in the clockwise direction. If you then follow the illustration here, you should not have any problems writing H from beginning to the end without raising the pen. Thai consonants that may look like H are Tho Tahan and Tho Monto. Tho Tahan looks very much like H, but H has a second circle at the top right corner of the letter, which Tho Tahan does not have. The same applies to Tho Monto, which in addition has an indentation next to the circle at the top left corner of the letter. Example of a word containing H is Ha, meaning to search. The single syllable in the word Ha is a live syllable because it ends with a long vowel sara-a. The initial consonant H is a high-class consonant, therefore based on the tone rules for a live syllable, Ha is in the rising tone. There is also Ma, meaning dog. Here, H is silent because it is immediately followed by the localist consonant Ma. Once again, the single syllable in the word Ma is a live syllable because it ends with a long vowel sara-a. Ma is also in the rising tone because its live syllable begins with a high-class consonant H. Even as H is silent, it still is the initial consonant and therefore determines the tone. That is the consonant H, which we can summarize as a consonant that sounds like a H at the beginning of a syllable. When it is immediately followed by any of these localist consonants, H is a silent initial consonant. H does not occur at the end of a syllable and it is a high-class consonant. The accompanying word heap means wooden box or chest. H is written like this and looks like these letters of the Thai alphabet. Examples of words containing H are Ha in the rising tone, meaning to search, and Ma in the rising tone, meaning dog. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.